In this video, we will talk about how to fix Msstdfmt.dll Class not registered Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Perform a system restore. Click in Search. Type Run. Click on Open. Here you need to type rstrui.exe and press Enter to open System Restore. Click on Next. Check the box of Show More Restore Point. From here, select your restore point as per the date when you were not facing this issue. Click on Next and restore your PC to the back date. Method 2. Reset apps. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Scroll down and click on 3 dots next to the app where you're experiencing the problem. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. In Reset section, first click on Repair option. If that doesn't work, then click on Reset option. Method 3. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Scroll it down. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. This action refreshes the Windows interface and resolves minor glitches. Method 4. Reset default apps. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down. Click on Reset. And click on OK. Method 5. Fix system corrupted files. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type SFC/scannow and press Enter. All commands are mentioned in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Wait for the scan to complete. After the SFC scan, type DISM command and press Enter. Allow the process to finish. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. These tools scan and repair corrupted system files that might be causing the error. Method 6. Component Services. Click in Search. Type Run. Open it. Type dcomcnfg and click on OK. Expand Component Services. Then Computers. Then My Computer. Click on dcomcnfg. Here you will see a warning prompt. Click on Yes and close the windows. Method 7. Re-registered DLL files. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Paste the command in here and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Then click on Windows icon and restart your computer. This command re-registers all DLL files, ensuring they're correctly integrated into the system. Method 8. Re-register Microsoft Store apps. Right-click on Windows icon and select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Paste the command in here and press Enter. I have mentioned the command in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Wait for the process to complete. Then click on Windows icon and restart your computer. This command re-registers all Microsoft Store apps, which can fix issues related to app registrations. So that's how you can fix Msstdfmt.dll Class not registered Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.